with Secretary Michael Benny da Costa and Captain Wenzi Vegas and Dixon Vaz, ex-president Goan Seamen Association. We met today Reddy, Port Secretary, and also NRI Director Anthony D'Souza. हम मेळपाक गेल्ले इश्यू हो पेड क्वारंटायन हो एक आज इश्यू आसलो कित्याक भुरग्यां मदें एक फियर आनी एंग्जायटी तयार जाल्या बोटीचेर कित्याक पेड क्वारंटायन म्हणटाय ते फकत गोंयांच दुसरे स्टेटीन ना म्हणटाय ते सो वेन इंडियन seafarers are stranded all over the world, why this paid quarantine is only for Goans? पूण कितें आहा तें म्हणटाय seafarers will not pay this thing, but the company will borne. पूण आम सांगो सोदताय गव्हर्मेंटाक don't put burden on the company. Tomorrow the Goan seafarers will be in the limelight. The company will not rehire them again. So आम सांगो सोदताय गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक हाल्यार आमच्या गोंयकार तारोटी भावांक वचून बोटीचेर जॉयन जात जाल्यार त्रास जातले, कंपनी त्रास करतली रिहायर करपाक. सो हांव मागता गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन हें कितें क्वारंटायन बी आहा तें सगळें फ्री क्वारंटायन दवरचें, कोणाक पेड बी आनी कांय दोश न्हू, आनी कंपनी कडेन तुमी पयशे घेश न्हू, कित्याक दुसरे स्टेटीनी अशें करून पेड क्वारंटायन बी म्हूण कांय ना. आनी दुसरें आमी सांगूंक सोदताय आतां तुमकां तरी हर एक पेड क्वारंटायन करून कितें करपा जाय. वेलफेअर फंड आहा, सीफेरस वेलफेअर फंड, तितूंतल्यान घे पयशे. पूण हांव मागता गव्हर्मेंटा लागीं हे क्वारंटायन आहा तें तुमी फ्री क्वारंटायन दवरचें सगळ्या तारोटी भावांक, आनी कंपनीको देखून तुमी पयशे एक्सट्रॅक्ट करच न्हू. ही आमगेली मागणी.
दिला तुमकां
आतां आम NRI डायरेक्टरान म्हणून आपण आमच्या मुखार घायले ते पॉयंट CMA मुखार घातो म्हूण, तेंगे कमिटी मद मुखार घातो म्हूण हे ताणें आमकां एश्युरन्स दिला.
I want to ask you one question. Quarantine issue येतात दोन कडे, एक गव्हर्मेंट फॅसिलिटी आहा ती फ्री and institution with quarantine is you have to pay.
Yeah, but they should identify them.
Institution quarantine has been identified, either it may be in hotels or wherever their company is agreeing to pay, no?
No,
What is
only if this is from the Goa government. This is only from the Goa government.
Goa government quarantine facility is free available. Only if you go in government facility. Whenever you go in any other institution or any other, there you will have to pay. That also your company is agreeing to pay, right? Not seafarers are
I
paying.
can answer this question. आता तूं म्हणटा दोन भाशेन क्वारंटायन आहा.
Oy, oy.
SOP फुडें आहा. This is common for all India. It's not separate for Goa.
Okay.
Okay? This is one point. आता तूं कितें म्हणटा paid quarantine and free quarantine म्हणटा तूं.
Oy.
Why there is paid quarantine? Why they should pay? What is the reason behind it? I am asking the government why there should be paid quarantine. There should be no free quarantine for everyone as per the SOP. If the Goa government is following the SOP is for all India level, not only for Goa separate and for other states.
What does the standard operating protocol says that they should be kept in government facilities? SOP की सांगता की त्यांका you have to quarantine them only in.
See, as per the SOP, what it is said is 14 days you should be quarantined. Okay? So जेन्ना बोट 25 दिसान पावली, so ते ऑलरेडी क्वारंटायन जाले. हांकां क्वारंटायन कित्याक करपा जाय?
No. ते खंय क्वारंटायन जाले? बॉम्बे.
ना बोटीर
No. बोटी जाले मग आनी खंय थिंगाय जावपा जाय.
कित्याक
It is like that.
No, it is not necessary.
तू जेन्ना गोवा येतलो तेन्ना गोवा थंय क्वारंटायन.
मागीर गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान डिफरंट SOP हाडल्या.
तू आतां क्वारंटायन जातलो खंय मुंबय आफ्टर तू डिसेंबराक जालो बोटी वेल्यान तू थिंगा जाऊ ना जाल्यार हिंग जातलो, रायट? नाव यू आर कमिंग हियर.
क्वारंटायन करपाक गरजू ना न्हू, ते क्वेश्चन येराज काय ना. आतां महाराष्ट्रा पडकी देंवले ते सोमते घरा गेले.
ते घरा गेले.
Why different rules for different states?
थिंगा ते 14 days क्वारंटायन जातले, रायट?
खंय बोटीचेर
घरा.
home quarantine. We agree to home quarantine.
See, the whole situation is like this. We had 2 hours of meeting with Reddy, who is also a nodal officer for quarantine. Okay, he is also the officer for ports. So whatever the ships are coming into the port, he is dealing with that. Okay. Now the SOP, which is the DG shipping, the Ministry of Shipping, which have come with SOP, says very clearly that 14 days quarantine is required. Based on that, the ships are already on the way to India. They have all the record of quarantine of 14 days. Now what has happened, the guy from Marella Discovery, they were in quarantine in the hotel for 2 days. Okay, their tests were done, tests came negative. Whereas the Maharashtra people have gone home quarantine. Immigration have put on a tag, home quarantine until May 6th. So now why our only boys are home quarantine? Now if that is a government decision, see, if government wants to take extra precaution, the extra cost has to bear by the government, because they have already done their quarantine. Now if they want to charge, that's what we have come to discuss is, you better make it black and white with the companies. So when the boys come here, they should already know the company is agreeing or not agreeing. That is one part. The second part, there is also a fear and anxiety among the seafarers. See, now the companies have already done so much for the people on the ship. Now if they pay them, or if they ask the government, ask the companies to pay them, they have a fear they might not hire them again. They might say, Baba, your government have already put us in a big trouble by bringing all the ships here because they are not opening the airport. Now again you are asking this money. So this, to avoid it, the government must come very clear and clean on this. Now why only two different yardsticks for Indians and Goans? So the government of Goa must come very clean on this one. That is our demand. Now it is not a small amount, it's a big amount. It is coming to crores of rupees. So as our president said, there is a fund, social welfare fund, we can look into that, but do not put a burden on the companies right now. If they agree, well then good, but if they don't agree, because some companies might not be in a position to pay, so that proper discussion has to be come with the companies. That's what we discussed with the NRI nodal officer and also Reddy.
Which company has agreed now to pay?
See, we don't know. They say there are some companies. It cannot be some companies. Has to be all companies. So that has to become black and white. आणि दुसरे आम्ही चल्ला जे आमचे पादरी भावांनी, जे आमचे हिंदू भावांनी देखून तांचे कितें म्हणटात आमी देवस्थानान देखून ऑफर केलें, कित्याक थोडे हिंदू भाव तांकां हिंदू हिंद रावपा जाय, सो तें देखून ऑफर केलें. सो आमी तेका गव्हर्मेंटाक, तुमी आमचे बिशोपांनी, आमचे जावं देवस्थानांनी जे जेजुईत प्रिस्टांनी पण मागला न्हू दीत म्हणलें, ती तुमी आयडेंटिफाय केलें पयलीं, कित्याक तुमी पयले पेड क्वॉरंटायना वयताय, because they are coming after 2 months with such a difficulty and ordeal, and they have the test with them which are negative, so they want to come home. So that's why, to make it easier also, we met ready, so that when the ships come, there should not be a problem, there should be a smooth transition, so that whatever the government for the safety can take their test.
Okay. So आज जे भाशेन सांगलां, we had a discussion with Mr. Reddy for almost an hour, and then with Mr. Anthony. Now the bottom line was to explain to them, Marella Discovery, Karnika and Angria, this is not even 5% of the total what we are going to face. We are talking about the next vessels which are coming. The first vessel, I think from now we are looking at around the 4th or the 9th, is one of the vessel called as Voyager of the Seas. Seven Seas Voyager Moon. 7 Seas. So this vessel is now slow steaming. ती vessel Dubai son बायसोल्ल्या. Now ती vessel Dubai son बायसोल्ल्या, Dubai son ओडेस दिसा भितर पावता, पूण ती slow steaming करता, so that she can arrive with an ETA, estimated time of arrival, on the 9th. 25 तारखेर बायसोल्ली, 9th तार पावता. कित्याक? What everybody is seeing is the SOP what is being laid down. Now what does the SOP says? SOP point number 7 of sign off says that जोरी तोरी एक बोट लास्ट पोर्ट ऑफ कॉल, म्हणजे लास्ट पोर्ट ऑफ कॉल दुबय, ते बोटीर सगळे बोटी भुरग्यांक एकठांय करून घातले आनी तांकां इंडिये पावपाक ते भुरगे 14 दीस बोटीर आसपाक जाय, म्हणजे दे आर सेल्फ क्वॉरंटायन ऑन द शिप. आदी बोट भायर चलती ती स्लो स्टिमींग करता, कित्याक 14 दीस भुरगे ते आतां बोटीर क्वॉरंटायन आहा, टेम्परेचर चॅक, एवरीथींग इज चॅक. नाव वेन दे अरायव एट मुंबय, ते जावं गोंयकार जावं इंडियन जावं, ऑल सीफेरर्स हू वील बी सायन्ड ऑफ. तितून तूं समज एज एन एक्झाम्पल सांगलें आमी, 300 समज भुरगीं आहा इंडियन, तितून तूं 100 महाराष्ट्रा आहा, 100 कर्नाटका आहा आनी 100 गोंयचे आहा. एज अ कंपनी, वॉट वील द कंपनी लूक एट? द कंपनी वील लूक एट द कॉस्ट. महाराष्ट्रा गव्हर्मेंटा भुरगीं काडले, 2 दीस फाटल्यान दवरले, प्रोसिजर केलो, होम क्वॉरंटायन केलो, बेस्ड ऑन SOP. कर्नाटका जावं तामिळनाडू जावं सगळे स्टेटीन अशेंच केलें. ते ट्रान्सपोर्ट केलो गेले. गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान कितें केलां एज एन एडिशनल मेजर वीच इज व्हेरी गुड. वी आर विथ दीस एडिशनल मेजर. गोवा गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा गोंय आयले म्हणटरी तांकां 14 दीस आनी तुमी क्वॉरंटायन करचे. ऑल्दो दे आर नेगेटीव टेस्टेड इन मुंबय, नेगेटीव टेस्टेड इन गोवा, 14 days एडिशनल प्रिकॉशन्स. व्हेरी गुड. हू वील पे? ओनर एक, बोटी ओनर एक. तामिळनाडू धाडपा 100 भुरग्यांक तांणी कॉस्ट फारी केलो ना. महाराष्ट्रा भुरग्यांक कॉस्ट फारी केलो ना. गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक कॉस्ट फारी करची पडलो. सो नंबर 1 द जॉब सेक्युरिटी इन द फ्युचर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क. बट क्वेश्चन मार्क सोड खबर ती जॉब मागीर तांकां मेळटली मेळपा ना तें चिंतून पयलीं सद्याक मेंटली स्ट्रेस. हू इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल? गोवा गव्हर्मेंट. नाव हे क्लॅरिटी हाडपा गोवा गव्हर्मेंट मस्ट ट्राय टू रिलाय अँड पुट द प्रोसिजर्स टुगेदर. मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ, फॅमिली अँड वेलफेअर क्लियर गायडलायन्स आहाय फॉर होम क्वॉरंटायन. सो यू हॅव टू मेक definitions very clear and come up with an order saying that बाबा उमको प्रोसिजर SOPचे आहा तो फॉलो जालो. कित्याक आतां बोट गोंय येवपा सोदताय. त्यो बोट गोंय येयली म्हणटरी तो जरी तर इफ यू आर सॅटिस्फायड विथ दीस प्रोसिजर तांकां बाबा उमक्या भुरग्यांक सॅटिस्फॅक्शन मेळ्ळें तांकां जाय जाल्यार होम क्वॉरंटायन करपा जाता. ना जाल्यार तांकां आमी क्वॉरंटायन करपाचो विच एन ऑप्शन इज देर. पेड क्वॉरंटायन एज वेल एज फ्री क्वॉरंटायन तो ऑप्शन दिवपाचो. आज मारेला डिस्कवरी भुरग्यांक ऑप्शन दिलें ना. जे भाशेन सांगलां कितले देवस्थान आसा म्हणजे देवस्थान असले स्पिरिच्युअल एसोसिएशनांनी लुगार दिल्लो. सो दॅट इज नॉट बीन प्रोवायडेड टू दीस बॉयज. सो द बॉटम लायन इज नाव वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली अबाउट 7,000 to 8,000 गोवन सीफेरर्स. कॅल्क्युलेशन करून चोवा तुमी. मल्टिप्लाय बाय 3,000 including GST, multiply by 14. Whether it is a scam or not, we don't know. But if this order is applicable for everyone, so we are talking about another 40,000-50,000 Goans, all NRIs who have to come back home. येवपा जाय, हाडोवपा जायना तांकां. वी हॅव टू ब्रिंग देम. सो तेंचे पयशे कोण हारी करतलो? कोण हारी करतलो? आतां दुबय इतले लोक आहा म्हणटा UAE की तांकां जॉब ना, जॉबूच ना एंड दे आर जस्ट वेटिंग. सो तुमी तांकां क्वॉरंटायनान जर तर हाडले प्लेन धाडून तेमगे पयशे करतलो. सो डबल स्टँडर्ड्स म्हणटा तो. तारोटी जरी तरी कंपनी हारी करता म्हूण कंपनी इज पेईंग बिकॉज यू आर सेईंग दॅट दीस इज माय रूल, एडिशनल रूल, and you are forcing the company to pay. But then you are not foreseeing what will be the disturbance in this industry after you alone as a state are going to charge the Goan boys. Other states are not charging. So ye temi scrutinize करचे. They have to come up with clear identification of procedures for Goa state. एक प्रोसिजर घालचो आनी आमी हेल्प करता म्हणून सांगला प्रोसिजर घालपाक. वी वील पुट डावन अ फ्यू पॉयंट्स हाव टू गेट दीस प्रोसिजर्स ऑर्गनायज्ड. एडिशनल प्रोसिजर्स पयलीं एक आमी तांकां एक कंटिजन्सी प्लॅन दिल्लो तो तेमी केन्नाच उलोवंकूच ना आनी नामू दे वर नेवर इंट्रस्टेड ऑफ टॉकिंग अबाउट. नाव एटलीस्ट वी वील अगेन पुट अ फ्यू पॉयंट्स सो दॅट ए स्ट्रीम लायन्स अबाउट. द आयडिया इज if the state is putting today additional measures, the state has to pay and they have to do it a free quarantine because otherwise company differentiate जातले. इंडिया एक SOP एक पुणी गायडलायन्स फॉलो करता आनी इफ फॉलो करता जाल्यार 50,000 लोक जो येतलो हू वील एबल टू पे द कॉस्ट ऑफ दीस. आज तूं बोटीर एजंट आसता मदें, इंटरमिडिएट एजंट आसता. तूं ते एजंटा मेसेज दिता आनी तो एजंट केशे भाशेन कन्विन्स करता ओनरांक तो पयशे तूं काडून दिता. पूण हेर लोकांक मागीर कितें जाता? सो डबल स्टँडर्ड जालो ना. ऑल्सो ही ऑर्डरी कितले एक्झिस्टन्स आहा, हाव डज दीस ऑर्डर स्टँड्स टुडे इज लायक अ मिस्ट्री. इट इज लायक अ व्हेरी लूज kind of a document which is being circulated and it is come out. So heja oiri gore orders kadpa jata. So whether this is going to stand value and whether if it is for all. So the request is, I think we have to clearly come out for the next vessels that are coming. We have time. 4 तारखेर या 9 तारखेर ETA जी आहा the boating, we have time for those boys and message has to clearly go that Goan seafarers please come and berth at MPT port. बोटी तुमची हाडा सगळ्यो कंपनी आनी हाडा आनी इट इज गोइंग टू बी फ्री क्वॉरंटायन. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू चार्ज यू आनी वेर एवर एप्लिकेबल वी वील पुट यू इन होम क्वॉरंटायन. आनी होम क्वॉरंटायन प्रोसिजर दिलो, फर्स्ट क्लास प्रोसिजर दिलो, तो प्रोसिजर मेंटेन करा जालें. सो दीस इज वॉट इज द डिमांड एंड वी हॅव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड देम दॅट वी आर रेडी टू हेल्प यू ऑल्सो टू पुट डावन थिंग्स इन रायटिंग so that you all can also finalize internally.
See, what is important, as Captain said, we already told the ports secretary that जे गोवन आहाय तेमकां तुमी गोंया हाडपाक तुमी कंपनी इन टच रावाय. गोंयकारां बॉम्बे आनी धाणाकाय हें तेंगेलें तारवट्यांगेलें मागणें आहा. The seafarers, they will go to maybe Kolkata, maybe they will go to Chennai, Kerala, Mumbai. But we have requested, which he will put up the case, that Goan seafarers, MPD should give them priority, like welcome them, come to Goa, and let our boys come and disembark in Goa, and then we will take care, because we are not happy that they will be quarantined or somewhere in Bombay, like what happened over there. So at least when they coming with all this stress and trauma, let them come to Goa. So this is also our demand which have been put.